Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wellness Warriors, Fitness and Health Hacks. Today, we've got a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly crucial for maximizing your gains post-workout nutrition. You've just pushed your body to its limits, and now it's time to refuel and recover for optimal results. Stick around as we dive deep into the importance of post-workout nutrition and explore the best options for giving your body the love it deserves. The importance of post-workout nutrition. So, why is post-workout nutrition so important? Well, after an intense workout, your body goes through a series of changes. Your muscles are fatigued, glycogen stores are depleted, and there's micro damage within muscle fibers. This is where post-workout nutrition comes in to save the day. Cut to infographic visuals showing muscle cells, glycogen, and nutrient absorption. Post-workout nutrition is essential for three main reasons. Muscle recovery and repair. Protein intake after a workout supplies your muscles with the building blocks they need to repair and grow stronger. Glycogen replenishment. Carbohydrates are essential for replenishing depleted glycogen stores, providing energy for your next workout. Reducing muscle protein breakdown. The right nutrients can help prevent muscle protein breakdown, preserving your hard-earned muscle mass. Timing is key. Now that we understand why post-workout nutrition matters, let's talk about timing. The so-called anabolic window suggests that there's a limited time frame after your workout when your body is most receptive to nutrients. Cut to host standing next to a clock, symbolizing the anabolic window. However, recent research suggests that this window might be broader than we once thought, around 1 to 3 hours post-workout. Still, don't dawdle. The sooner you refuel, the better your recovery. Optimal post-workout nutrition options. Now that you're ready to refuel, let's explore some optimal post-workout nutrition options to give your body the nutrients it craves. Protein power. Protein is the superhero of post-workout nutrition. It's essential for muscle repair and growth. Opt for high-quality protein sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like tofu or legumes. Carbohydrate comeback. Carbs are your body's preferred energy source, and they're crucial for replenishing glycogen stores. Opt for complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. A great option is a fruit and yogurt parfait or a turkey sandwich on whole grain bread. Hydration heroes. Don't forget about hydration. Water supports nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and overall recovery. Pair your meal with water or a natural electrolyte drink. Fast digesting fats. While fats aren't the primary focus, including a small amount of healthy fats like avocados or nuts can aid nutrient absorption and provide sustained energy. Sample post-workout meal ideas. To put it all together, let's create some mouth-watering post-workout meal ideas. Grilled chicken wrap. Fill a whole grain wrap with grilled chicken, veggies, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add a side of mixed berries for an antioxidant boost. Quinoa salad with tofu. Toss cooked quinoa with colorful veggies, diced tofu, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Enjoy with a glass of watermelon-infused water. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and fresh fruit for a protein-packed parfait. Top it off with a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra nutrients. There you have it, folks. Post-workout nutrition isn't just an afterthought, it's a critical part of your fitness journey. By supplying your body with the right nutrients at the right time, you'll recover faster, build muscle more effectively, and keep your energy levels up for your next sweat session. Remember, every bite counts toward your progress, so make those post-workout meals count. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay fit and stay fabulous. End with a friendly wave and your channel's logo along with social media.